How do you know when an AirTag needs the change of battery? What you're gonna do is go to Find My App. You're gonna tap on the Items tab right here and then tap the AirTag. As you can see, this AirTag right here, it says low battery, and I am going to start changing the battery of this AirTag. Replace battery, and here you can follow the instructions or you can just follow what I'm gonna do here. Here is my AirTag right here, and here is the battery that you need. You can get these at Amazon. These are Energizer 2032 lithium. Okay, this one includes 4, so if you have 4 AirTags, it can last a lot. This battery has lasted me for more than a year now, so I think that if you're using it daily, it will worth having the AirTag. I have the battery right here. I'm just gonna push down and clockwise twist just to remove this one, and then I'm gonna remove the battery that it was old and put the new one. Here it is. Now I'm gonna put back these. I'm gonna just and close it, push a little bit again, and just twist. As you could hear, it was already beeping, so that means that the battery is being replaced. Now if we go to my phone, to the items, I can see that this one doesn't have the battery symbol anymore, and that is because we just replaced this battery already. Now we're good to go with this AirTag. This is how you replace your AirTag battery.